Here in an auto supply, I'm gonna buy some parts like a shock absorber and for my wiper and for my fog light. So based on my canvassing, they are more cheaper. So let's go. Hold on. Hi there guys and girls, good morning to each every one of you. You know what, wasn't able to have a breakfast. Hold on. I'm here in Angono Rizal. Shout out to each and everyone. Sige kuya, call ako dito. Yung sa shock absorber. So it costs 1.8 compared to the one in there in Suzuki, it's 150. And then the fog light is 500%, so 250 each. And then the wiper is 250. For now.